Hey everybody, it's Nabil Mullah with you here again today, and it's time for another unboxing. I'm going to be unboxing the Sony multi-channel AV receiver. This is model number STR-DH790. Some of the features on this bad boy: it's got high-res audio, 4K HDR, 7.2 channels. It's got 5 HDMI ports, that's 4 in and 1 out. It supports Dolby Atmos, Dolby Vision, DTS:X, and Bluetooth. And it has Sony's S-Force Pro front surround system. The Sony STR-DH790 will run you about $380 at full retail, but I have seen it on sale. In fact, I got it myself for $230. Let's open it up and see what we got inside. First thing we come to is this remote control. Then we've got batteries for the remote control, antenna, and the microphone for the surround sound setup. It's also got product registration, limited warranty, startup guide, operating instructions, and the operating instructions in French and Spanish. First thing that stands out to me on this model is its low profile. I'm replacing an Onkyo receiver that I've only had for about a couple of months now. It was a receiver that conked out on me. I've found that receivers are tricky little items that tend to be the first component in a home theater system to go out. So I opted for a slightly lower end model this time. So the size on this is definitely smaller than a lot of receivers, height-wise. It's the average component width, but height-wise it's not real tall. Got some extra instructions taped to the top. It's got a nice sleek front. The buttons are all right along here. A couple of knobs: input selector, master volume, headphone input, calibration mic goes right in here, and the power button. It's got venting on both sides and the top, as well as the bottom. Here's a look at the inputs on the back. All your speaker wires are going to go right in here. You've got your front speakers left and right, center speaker, surround speakers, and the rear surround speakers. Here's for the subwoofer. And as you can see, this is the HDMI that goes out to your TV. And then there's 4 HDMI in ports. They've got them listed as media box, Blu-ray disc, DVD, satellite cable TV, and game. Of course, you can arrange yours however you want and use them for whatever you want. If you don't have HDMI for some or all of your components, you can use these right here. Here's the FM antenna, digital optical cable, and coaxial cable right here. If you've got an ARC TV, you won't need either of these. This will take care of both. Well, that's this receiver in a nutshell. If you got any questions, concerns, comments, let me know, and I'll catch you on the next video.